Hi foodies, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hi there, my name is Mawuena. Welcome to our foodie world where we bring you simple, relatable homemade meals. As you are still in the month of love, we bring you a simple recipe that you can share with your loved ones. We are making French toast today. Stay tuned and let's get right into it. You know our recipes are always simple to make, and today is not an exception. We are making French toast today, and as always, all ingredients used in this recipe will be in the description box down below. So we start off with 2 eggs. We are just going to crack it into a mixing bowl, and today our bowl is really shallow. Reason being that it makes it easy to dip your bread inside. You would understand when it's time to dip in our bread. Moving on, we are adding our milk, our vanilla essence, a pinch of salt, sugar, and then our star ingredient, which is cinnamon powder. We are going to whisk all together and then we'll set aside. We are adding some oil into our frying pan. I'm using sunflower oil. You can use vegetable oil, avocado oil, or any oil of your choice. And then I'm adding some butter. Usually butter burns quickly, so I added the oil as a base so the butter doesn't burn. You're going to dip your bread into your egg mix on both sides, and then you transfer it into your frying pan. Most people like to use white bread for their French toast, but I'm using brown bread because that's what I had available. So yeah, you're just gonna toast it on both sides until it's golden brown, and then it's ready to serve. I garnished my French toast with some strawberry slices, sprinkled some icing sugar on top of it, and then some maple syrup on top as well. This made it totally delicious. You can also use honey, maple syrup, pancake syrup, or even chocolate syrup, or you can even put some butter on top of it while it's still hot and let the butter melt into it. It's totally delicious. Would you try this recipe at home? If you do, I can't wait to see your beautiful pictures. You can send it to us in our DMs on Instagram and we would love to see it. If you enjoyed watching this video, please share with your friends and family. Leave a comment so that I know you love this, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye guys.